we are asked to find a matrix T that maps point P to point Q. We are given the coordinates of P and Q. We are given the form of the matrix T. It has two missing numbers, x and y. We are asked to find those values, and then we are asked to find the image of a point under the transformation T. Okay, so let us set up a matrix equation. Right, we are using OP because we have to use matrices. We are writing P as a column matrix 2, 3, and we are writing Q as the column matrix -2, 3. Okay, -2, 3. So let's set up our equation. We have x 0, 0y multiplied by 2, 3, which produces -2, 3. Alright, we are multiplying row by column to produce this number here. Let's do that. So we have x times 2 plus 0 times 3 on top is equal to -2, 3. Here, let's multiply the second row of the first matrix by the column second matrix to produce this number 3 here. So we have 0 times 2 plus y times 3 below. We work out inside the brackets, x times 2 is 2x, 0 times 3 is 0, that disappears. Alright, so this goes, and 0 times 2 is 0, this goes. Remaining y multiplied by 3 is 3y. That is equal to -2, 3. Let us equate entries on both sides. Yeah, so we're equating 2x is equal to -2. 2x equals -2. Right, we divide both sides by 2. Well, -2 or 2. We cancel. 2 and 2, 1. 2 and 2, 1. Giving us excess minus 1 over 1, which is -1. Okay, let's work out y now, equating 3y to +3. We have 3y equal 3. Let us divide both sides by 3. We are solving the equation 3 into 3, 1. 3 into 3, 1. Which gives y is equal to 1 over 1, which is 1. So we have our matrix, our transformation matrix T, and it will be equal, x is -1. We have y being 1 down here, and the other two end positions are filled with zeros. So this is our transformation matrix T. Determine the values of x and y. Well, we have x equal -1 obtained from here, as I've circled it. And we have y equals y equals positive 1 obtained from here. Okay, so we have worked out part 1, and we are asked now to find the image of negative 4, 5 on the transformation T. So what we do is we multiply, we go and we multiply the transformation matrix by our column matrix. Okay, so we have multiplying matrix T by negative 4, 5. Let's work this out. Okay, so the top row multiplied by the column, that's what we're doing. So we'll have negative 1 times negative 4, that is positive 4. And then we multiply the bottom row by the column. Remember, negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 4. 0 times 5 was 0. Okay. Now we're multiplying the bottom row by the column. So we have 0 times negative 4. 0 times negative 4 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay. So we will have 5 underneath here. Positive 5. Okay. So this is called the image of negative 4, 5. Right. So note well that point P was called the object and point Q was called the image. Right. So the answer for part 2, we write it in point form: 4, 5. Remember, our column matrix is vector form, and when we write it in brackets like this, this is the form of a point, the coordinates of a point. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. And one more thing to do is to show what type of reflection this is. So point P is 2, 3. I'm plotting it on the Cartesian coordinate plane here, 2, 3. Point Q is negative 2, 3. Okay, negative 2, 3. So we can clearly see that this is a reflection in the y-axis. So this T matrix in red is used to reflect points in the y-axis. Thanks for watching again. Have a good day.